Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of January 5 to 9, 2026. So on the main site, last week we disavowed 28 toxic domains from SEMrush, bringing the total to 21,856 toxic domains in our list. Then we got 10 more on the platform as of yesterday. Then our site was crawled over the weekend. So it dropped some of our URLs from the 404 list. So our count is down from 2.38k last week to 2.37k as of today. Then I have redirected some of these URLs here to available and live articles on our site. So like this one, for example, we have related articles for this. So this is redirected accordingly. And 8 of the new URLs were processed to serve 410 code. Then there was no issue found on the site during yesterday's site audit. And last week we had an issue found, which I believe was temporary. So error 503 on one of the reference sites. So as of today, the site is back online. So there's no need to remove the reference on this article. Then since last week, I have been trying to fix and improve the core web vitals for our mobile version of the site. So it has to do with the CLS or cumulative layout shift issue. So yeah, multiple adjustments were needed to the blog post page template. So after getting more consistent results in the daily test on the Flying Press and Google Page Speed, I already requested revalidation last January 8th. So it will take some time to readjust this since it's calculated according to a 28-day rolling average of real user experiences. So yeah, so far we are consistent on Flying Press tests. So for the last 7 days. So on desktop since January 8th, we have been getting consistent CLS as well as on mobile. So yeah, I'm monitoring this while continuously finding more optimization opportunities on our site. Then on the intake form analytics, so for last week, we got total of 20 conversions through the form. So that's out of 53 users who filled it out. So 33 users abandoned. Then on the Google ad campaign for business recycling pickup, we got 143 clicks of the 1.91k impressions we got last week at 1.90 average cost per click. Then we recorded 4 conversions last week, so 2 for computer recycling keyword and another 2 for electronic recycling near me keywords. Then on the Green Store, I updated 3 plugins. Then I switched the promo from holidays to spring semester promo. So using the code SPRING26, that's auto-applied upon checkout. So I updated all the notices and banners on the site, including the one here in the footer, on the product page, and tested the checkout process. Then on social media, by the way, we'll be running this for the rest of the month. Then we'll do the Valentine's Day promo next month. Then for social media, we have shared articles on citric acid cleaner and ways to get rid of fruit flies at home topics. So these were shared on Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Yeah, so these 2. Then on the Google App Sheet, I have continued working on the bug tracker app. So I have pushed out the latest version today. That's 1.000408. So this was from 357 last week. So in this version, I have added a new view called Interactive Dashboard. So here, we can easily filter tickets by priority or status or combination of both. We can also filter by user, so by developer, app manager, or the bug submitters. So yeah, we can use different combination of these filters to narrow down the results on the tickets here. So yeah, that's it from me. Let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. Thank you.